lot of snow around here, around my place. Losing fast over there. Started the sled that I go over through the garden over here. Well, Christ, I got a great big ditch over there, and I just swamped it in there. So we're gonna head back there with the old mass and see if we can chew her out. There's the power there, big boy. Stone wheel rest. I hope there's not any firewood in here. That old diesel smoking, right? Better turn off my PTO there. Not a good thing. Run with a PTO going there, right? Okay, get my gloves on. Got a chain right here. Brought a couple of chains there and a strap. Now head back in there and see if we can get hook onto the snowboard somewhere. I don't know if I'm close enough there or not. We'll probably put a chain on this blower down here somewhere maybe. There we go. Now, see if we can get around a strap hooked to the front of that sled. Let's put her in a gear here. Twice. Okay. Lift it up. It might just pull it out, I don't know. Tractor probably pull a 500-pound sled. Oh, we gotta roll it over. There we go, keep going, baby. Oh, Polaris, you couldn't make her out with a little tug from a Massey now, could you? There we go. Now, let's go back and have a look. Look how deep the snow is here. Woo! Right up to my balls. Bloody deep snow, I'll tell you. Okay, so we got that flipped down. See, it's all packed full of mud in that ditch there. Come on, baby, down you go. Okay, should be okay to go there now. Let's just see if she'll start. Oh, come on. Yay. So now, take the chain off of here. Actually, what do you think we ought to do? Get the chain off of there, and then we'll hang it over the blower. Get the toe strap off, we're not going to need that again. We'll leave that Polaris running. It still wasn't quite warmed up yet, so I don't like running this liquid cooled till they get thoroughly warm. That's why I didn't really want to give her too much poops on the way through there. Go on. Okay, we got a chain, got a strap. Here comes the reinforcements, but we already got her all out. Hook on there. What do you want to drive, the sled or the tractor? You take the sled. Okay. I'll get my gloves. Little girly men here. Neat gloves. Okay. Going to get a wet bum. Already snowed by you know what's. Okay. Not pulling no more, we got power. That son of a bitch better not turn that blower on right now, he doesn't cover me. Quiet. Bloody snow everywhere. There's the snow in London, December 18th, 2010. For me. Anyway, let's go down. We're gonna get a plane flying on skis right now. Take a look. Who down there? Ready? Woo-hoo. Easy, cowboy. Hey, new skis on the plane. This bloody thing had a broken axle. We just cut her off. That axle on that plane there, oh hell. We only had a couple pieces of chromoly, so we butt them together. You can see the end of my weld there. We polished up on the lathe there. The other one broke off right there. So we put two pieces of chromoly, one inside another there. This just might get this plane moving on the skis today. Anyway, check back with you later. We're gonna go try that plane out now. I think Derek will probably try it. I don't want to try it. Derek needs some ski time, I think. See you soon. Thanks for coming.